everyone, welcome back to Teaching Bee. So in our previous video, we were converting decimals to percents. I went ahead and left everything up here because now in this video, we're gonna do the opposite. We're gonna convert the decimal back to a percent. A percent back to a decimal. Let's get started. So our first problem we did was 0.4 and we multiplied it by 100 and then we converted it into percent, which was 40%. So now we want to take this 40% and we want to bring it back to a decimal of 0.4. And how we do that is one simple rule is we're going to divide the percent by 100. So let's go ahead and do that. We have 40. Let me get my marker. So we have 40. And what we said was we're going to divide it by 100. Well, 100 doesn't go into 40, so we are going to have to add another 0. And when we do that, we added a decimal. We're going to bring our decimal place up because now we're adding after the whole number. So then 100 does go into 400, or it does multiply something to get 400 evenly, which is 4. So 4 times 100 is 400. And that leaves us with no remainder, so we can stop there. So our answer, turning 40% back to a decimal, gives us 0.4. We have the same answer as we had originally. All right, let's try another one. So this one we did, it was 0.7 and we made it into a percent, which became 70. So now we're going to take 70 and we're going to bring it back to a decimal. And how we do that again is we are going to divide 70 divided by 100. So 100 does not go into 70, so we are going to have to add another 0, which means we're going to need to put in a decimal because it's after a whole number. We're going to simply bring the decimal up, and now we can do 100 into 700. It goes in 7 times evenly, so 7 times 100 is 700. And 700 minus 700 gives us 0, so no more remainder, which now gives us the answer of 0.7. And we have our original answer again as before. So let's go ahead and do the last one that we did previously, which was 0.12. And we changed it to a percent, which became 12%. So simply we're going to do that rule one more time. We have 12 divided by 100. Sorry about my 2 there. So 100 does not go into 12, which means we do need to add in a 0. We're going to bring our decimal place up. So 100 does go into 120 roughly one time, not evenly though. 100 times 1 is 100. So we're going to do our simple division down, subtract, and we're going to bring our 2, or 120 minus 100 is 20. 100 does not go into 20, so we're going to have to add one more 0. Drop that 0 down. 100 does go into 200 2 times evenly, so 2 times 100 is 200. And 200 minus 200 gives us, oh, I'm running out of space, 0. So we no longer have a remainder, which means we are done. So in this case, we now brought it back to 0.12. And I just simply put the 0 here as a filler. That way you can see that we have that decimal place there. And we have it where it equals our original problem, which was 0.12. Alrighty, if you have any other questions or something that's either more complicated or you need a little bit more of a breakdown, please put that problem or whatever questions you have down below in the comments. Again, thank you so much for supporting my channel with the subscribe button, and I look forward to you in the next video. Thanks, have a great day.